off to the side of it. There'd be no possible way he could actually out-dodge that arrow. And I'm here to tell you, if I were to hit that mannequin, I could pin it to the target. Imagine what that would actually do to a live human being.
Don't imagine.
Bloody.
No way.
I agree. The insurance always goes up. Let me take this off. I thought it was going to be a good idea to go ahead and use a speaker, but I think standing in front of it causes a lot of feedback.
I'll hold it for
After we do this, stick around because we're going to take some aerial shots. Ever seen a target shot out of the air with a bow? Yeah, we're going to try it.
I thought that's what you. I thought you were going to do that.
Ready?
Makes me nervous. He almost
I think I would have scalped him there.